In primetime news this evening, leadership at the school involved in dreadlocks controversy speaks. Written judgment in the landmark case finally available. And family living in squalor gets help.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on today's crime summit attended by the political leaders?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.